I shared this one last month, which I did just before the last new moon. I kind of liked it while I was painting it, but when it came to using my pens, I just felt as if I was colouring in and not doing anything really creative or adding anything. So I thought I'll go over it ready for the next new moon, which I believe is tomorrow. And it's not finished because I do need to go over this with my pens, but it's a bit wilder. It looks a bit more like me, or at least I'm having more fun. Kept the bit at the top because I did like that bit that was like finger splodges. The rest I've just gone over in like different shades of blues and a little hint of like purple. So there's this cool little Dartmoor pony that looks like it's appeared near the top next to some like swooshy thing that's coming from the sky that looks a bit like a person. I kind of thought I could see a face down here in this bit, but actually now it looks a bit more like a whole person perhaps in the blue. To the left, like a head as well in the white. On the far left, I can kind of see someone peeking through in the blue and white there, playing peekaboo maybe. It's going to be interesting to decide which colours and which faces to pick out because there's so many. It's more interesting than it was before. I like this bit at the bottom where there's like, it's almost like wings or a swooshing cloud around this sort of like head that's there. Sort of like it gathers momentum somehow. And then there's another similar swooshy bit on top with a face in. This looks like someone's coming out of a wave or a cloud of some kind. So it just looks a bit more wild than before. And it's very misty, but right at the bottom, I feel like there's two figures here. Perhaps the one on the left is female, and the one on the right looks like they've got a hat on. Excuse me, I was yawning then. Still very tired. So I'll share this again when I've gone over it with my pens, but I suspect that will take a while given how much there is going on here. Thanks for listening.